Splash!
Hi, and welcome to Paige's Animal Spotlight. Today we're going to get to meet the animal that inspired the blockbuster hit Alien, and we're going to get to jump in the tank with the green moray eel.
Green moray eels are a type of fish, and they happen to be one of the largest in the eel family. They can grow to be about 8 feet long and 65 pounds.
Scientists are still studying a lot about these green moray eels. In fact, we don't know very much about them. For example, we don't even know how old they get.
This is my favorite eel. His name is Edward Scissorteeth, and right now it is time for him to eat some lunch. Today I'm feeding Edward a piece of squid. Now, Edward is at the top of his food chain with few natural predators. He eats things like sleeping fish, squid, and octopus at night. He doesn't have good eyesight, though, so I have to push the food right down in front of his nose, and here he comes. Wham! Look at him grab that piece of squid and swallow it straight down, and he's already looking for more. I shudder to think about getting my hand up in those razor-sharp, hook-shaped teeth.
Green moray eels have a second set of jaws, and they're located deep down in their throat, so that when they attack their prey, their teeth grab it first, and their teeth are actually angled toward the back, so they get a good grip and can hold on to their prey. And then that second jaw that sits in their throat moves forward and helps them grip their food and helps pull it down into their gullet so that they can swallow it. Green moray eels are found all around the Caribbean. They tend to live near mangroves or on coral reefs, near rocky ledges, so it's not uncommon to see them while you're out diving.
While I was diving out in the Florida Keys, I came across a full-size moray eel living up in an old deserted pipe. Now, he was not afraid of me. He came straight up to my camera. He knows he's near the top of his food chain and that I am no threat to him. This is probably his home. Moray eels will spend much of their lifetime on the same reef where they can get plenty of food, and he even has 2 little neon gobies, those small bluefish, cleaning him. This behavior of opening and closing their mouth is not any kind of threat to divers. All it is him pumping water over his gills so he can breathe. As long as divers don't try to feed or provoke moray eels, they'll typically go back in their hole and leave you alone.
Even though they're called the green moray eels are actually very dark in their skin color. Their skin ranges anywhere between a dark blue to dark grays and even browns, and then on top of their skin they have a yellow slime. Together that makes him appear to be green against his drab background.